And here we are again for our last episode, and hopefully you are as excited as I am to see the next questions. Let's take the next one. What critical quality control measures are in place to ensure a high standard of automotive components during final assembly process? Now we have to talk about quality. Quality is one of the main pillars to ensure customer satisfaction. And therefore, let me introduce this topic saying that we are an IATF certified company that ensures the highest automotive international requirements in place. We have also a very strong quality management system that defines and ensures that our process in our plant is being in place and is being followed up. On top, we have also capable process to ensure that the production is running really stable. Another topic is related with our FMEAs. We are running all the time FMEAs whenever we have an issue in our production in order to ensure with the failure mode and effective analysis that we check all the possible problems in our line in order to define actions to minimize the risk of quality issues. And I'm happy to be here in the final assembly line because then I can show you that after building up the product, we have to ensure that all the customer specifications are in place. And for that, we have our quality gates. Here we are talking about the sealed product, and therefore we start with a leakage test. Then we go to a temperature test. We do also an end-of-line test, and we finish with our labeling station and automatic optical inspection in order to ensure that all the customer requirements are being delivered towards him. We have also some reactive tools like early warning system. In case we have a problem in production, the people in the shop floor immediately react in order to avoid additional risks. And we still have also an ALR, which is active lot release. Once we finish our lot, all the customer specification and all the parameters are being once again checked in order to ensure that this specific lot fulfill everything we need to fulfill to deliver to our customers. Last but not least, we have to ensure that our people is well qualified and well trained to operate and to produce these very complex products and to ensure that the high quality standards are delivered to the customers. And now let's move to the next question. Let's have a look what we have here. What approaches do we take to foster continuous improvement and drive innovation in our automotive manufacturing process? Well, let's answer this question with our BPS approach, our Bosch production system. Bosch production system is our backbone to improve our processes in order to increase our efficiency, reduce waste, and improve our quality performance and cost performance of the plant. Together with BPS, we are working in many fields, like lean manufacturing, where we define our value stream mapping in order to define the flow of the materials and the information in order to eliminate waste. And we are working on the standardization, we are working on the employee involvement, we are working on the quality management and the flexibility and adaptability, and also on the customers' feedbacks. On top, to improve our performance, we are doing benchmark with our international production network. We are learning with our partners, we are learning with our brother plants in order to copy with pride all the best practices that we are having together in our production network. Last but not least, we want to continue with a paperless production setup by continue developing our standard solutions, digital solutions, and empower the usage of artificial intelligence in order to be more fast, more flexible to fulfill customer requirements. Hope you have enjoyed being with us here in our tool and final assembly area, and please stay tuned because more will come in Discover Bosch Cluj Plant in the future.